What's up, guys? Welcome to this new section. Ahmed said here with you. I believe in our last section we talked about in the day one. We talked about how to download our application and we introduced ourselves to video editing and how important it is. So now, since we've downloaded our mobile application, I believe all of you have done that. So I'll just quickly take us into our editing timeline and we'll create a blank project for we'll just create a blank project, right? Okay, so let's get into the system and then we'll just tap on this inshot, because inshot we are going to be using for the basic class, right? So now when you open your application, you might not be seeing it this way, you understand, but you just set it up until you get to this level. So mine is showing all these stuffs here because I'm using a pro application. Yours will be showing something like a crown here, you understand, so that shouldn't be a problem. You can still use it to edit videos, even the free version, but you're only limited to some stuffs like that. So this is a premium app I'm using. So now when we want to create a project, a blank project, you're seeing something create new here, right? So there's video, there's photo, and there's college. So we are not going to make use of the college section of it, and we're not going to use the photo section of it. So we are creating a video, right? So this mainly is for editing. So it means that whenever you want to edit a video, you need to have a video. So you might just take a shot, you might just shoot a video, you understand. Then if the background is not good, things like that, that's what we use our video editing applications for, right? So I'll just click on this video aspects. When I tap on it, you see I'm having some videos here, right? But I'm not using any of them right now. So we are creating a blank project. So when I'll tap on new, and then when I tap on new, you see there are a series of videos here, right, with my subscribe buttons and other videos like that. So I'm not using all these ones. I set a blank project we're working on. So I'll tap on blank, and then there's a section here where you see at the bottom here you see this green tick, right? So you just tap on it, and then it has created a blank project for you. So this blank project, now you can do so many things with it, right? So this is our timeline, you understand. This place here, bottom here, is our timeline, right? So the timeline shows you every of your editing, you understand, everything that you're doing, your transition, whatever, whether you add a video, anything. That's what your timeline is just signifying. When you add a music, it's showing that you added a music. A text, it's showing that you added a text. When you add PIP, picture in picture, it shows you. If you add sticker, it shows you understand. So this plus that you're seeing here, you use the plus to add a new background. So you can add a background, a blank background, or you add a photo or a video, you understand. So we are going to add a new background, a blank background again. Are you getting me? So you see we've added a new one to this one. This place is for undoing, you understand. This marker is showing like this is for undo. So there's a redo here. If I tap on this undo now, it will now show me this option for redo, you understand. So whenever you are editing self, you understand, if you kind of missed something and you want to undo it, you can undo, you understand. But you should be careful when you are using this undo and redo, because it is kind of, sometimes you might have edited very far. So when you start undoing, all those other ones will now go off, you understand. It means that you'll be going back to last step and things like that. So the canvas here is our, you understand, like let's say if you are creating videos for different medias, you understand. Let's assume this is for Instagram, and this is for Instagram also, and this is for YouTube, you understand. If you are creating you can see like YouTube icon showing there. This is an Instagram icon. This is for Instagram. This is when you are posting to your wall on, let's say, your timeline on Instagram, you understand. But imagine that you want to create all those reel and then other type of video and on your status on Instagram. So this is the format for it, 4x5, and this is 1x1 for posting. This is 16:9 for YouTube videos, very good for YouTube videos and other movies, you understand. Even for television, you understand, like your TV resolution. This is very good for it. So this is for TikTok, 9x16, you understand. You see, just like a flipped of the YouTube video, you understand. So that is just like a flip. You see here is 16:9, here it's 9x16. Just like you flip it. This is horizontal, this is vertical, that is landscape and portrait. So here is 3x4 and there's 4x3. This is 2x3 and there's 3x2. There's 2x1 and 1x2, you understand. So but mostly, if you come and get my YouTube course, you understand, because I'll be starting a YouTube course very soon, maybe immediately, I think after this after, like, I have a YouTube course, you understand. So if you are interested in getting my YouTube course, I have a YouTube course that I use a combo for video editing and kind of YouTube mastery and graphics. So that's a three combo, all in one. So now you can also put it that you shouldn't have a frame, because whenever you create a video, they'll be having a frame, you understand. But maybe because you see, like, this place here is showing a frame here, and also at the end here is showing a frame. So whenever you put a video, you see it will start showing frames there, right? So but if you don't need any frame, you can put a no frame here and other things. So I'll quickly click on that and tick. I'll check it. So you see that I'm not having this thing. Remember I said when you want to add a background, you can either put a blank or a video there, but we are going to use a blank. So here you can add music. Here we use it to add music, and InShot comes with so many musics, you understand. You can come here to this track and then use so many tracks, but yours might not be showing plenty like this, you understand, because this is my own is like a premium app. I bought my own application, so because I've been using InShot for more than 2 years now. So okay, we have, these are featured music tracks for you to use, you understand. So you can come here and they are all free, you understand. You can come here to my music, where you can see your own music on your device, you understand. You can use your device music and things like that. If yours is not showing, maybe it's because it's a free application like that. So we have effects, you understand, like effects, like some sounds like that to just use, you understand. You can easily import sounds also, but I'm going to, because you see this one, this is a pop sound. This is a pop sound I got from one of my videos like that I use on my YouTube video. So I'm going to show you, but that will be in the advanced class for anybody that signed up in the advanced class. So now we just quickly go back. So sorry, let me launch my application again, and then I'll come to new. Okay, let me continue working on the other projects. Okay, so one thing about InShot is that it do saves your video as a draft, you understand. So you can come back and continue from where you stop. So this is a sticker, you understand. We use stickers, you understand. You can download also stickers. There are free stickers for you to use, you understand. There are other free stickers for you to use. Emojis are there. A GIV is there. You can use GIVs, you understand. You can download and then start using GIVs. So just you can go around to see. You can add images, you understand. You can add images. You can get images from, you understand, from your phone, and or maybe like free stock images, you understand, to use on your project. So you see this is like a transparent sticker I'm using here. So there, you can go around and check for a sticker that you like to use, you understand, and other things like that. They have great options for stickers and others like that. So but me, I do import most of my stickers I use, so I don't normally use most of their stickers. I import mine to use for my projects, and I import sounds, like customized sounds also. So now this is a place that you add text. If you want to add text to your project, you can just simply add text here. Let's assume I want to say welcome. Let me make it bold. Let me caps lock it. Welcome to, come down and say welcome to video. Let's say video editing class 2021. You understand? So I can come here and start formatting it. If I want to change the text color, I can change the text color here. You understand? I can edit and change text color here. And also here, if I want to change the font, I can change the font. You understand? You see how it is changing, right? I can change the font of my text the way I want. Here I can do formatting, increase the size, you understand, make it smaller, do letter spacing if I want. You see I'm separating the text from each other, right? I can do letter character spacing, right? Here I can increase, you see I can increase the line spacing, you understand. I can increase line spacing here. And also here I can animate the way the text comes in, you understand. I can animate the way the text is coming in, you understand. And I can put an outro, like the way I want it to go out, you understand, things like that. So what this said here is looping, you understand. You loop animation for text if you want. So there are other things I can still do on the editing, you understand. If I come here, the shadow, I can add shadow to it if I want. You understand? I can add shadows, you see, and I can change the position of the shadow. If you understand, just play around with it. I can change. You see, this is negative x. Remember our graph is negative x. This is positive x. You understand? So this is negative y going up, positive y coming down. You understand? So label, I can add labels. I can put, and I can make it. I can increase the transparency or reduce the transparency. You see, if I put it, it is fading out. If I increase the opacity now, it is coming back normal. You understand? So borders, you can add border here if you want. You understand? You see how I've added border and how it is looking now, so nice. So you can play around with all these sections to see how your text is going to look. You see how, if I want to increase the opacity of the border also, you can do that. So you see it's looking so nice here now. So now if you play, this is your play button, you understand? So some of these things will be taught in the advanced class, you understand? Some of this editing will be taught in our advanced class. So, but you can play around with them. If you don't know how to do it, you can just simply sign up for my advanced class where I can teach you fully how to do most of those advanced editing. So here is adding filter. So we are going to look at that in our subsequent class. This is PIP, which is picture in picture, duration. You understand? You can increase the duration and then reduce the duration. You can increase it to like 5 seconds. You understand? All editing should take 5 seconds if you like. For this, you understand? You can. This one is applying to all. You understand? When you see a tick like this, double tick is applying to all. You can apply to a single project you're working on. You imagine that we apply to all. You understand? You see how the duration has increased. The duration has increased, and you can simply do it like this again. And by increasing this one, you see it will increase here also. So you see it has increased here. You see the way I'm increasing it, but this is for the single background. You understand? So this is how we do the editing here, and then you can easily delete if you want. You can split. Let's assume I want to split this background here now. I can simply split it like this. You see how we do the splitting. So we are still going to look at that very soon. This is for deleting. If you want to delete a particular frame, I can delete this, and I can undo it if I want. And then I can add background color. You understand? I can add background color. Choose from here, or choose anyone, like just a suitable one. You understand? If I want to add it to all, I can add it to all here. If I want to add an image, I can add image here and then blur and things like that. You understand? So you can just play around with that. It's not something difficult. So the speed, I can add speed, like increase the speed of editing so that it should speed up. You see, if I play from the beginning now, it won't waste much of my time. You see, it is working fast. You understand? So I can crop if I want. This is increasing the speed, and this is for cropping. If I want to increase the volume or reduce the volume, this is where it is done. So that's for videos. You understand? So here you can replace a particular background with any other one. You can duplicate a background. You see, if I duplicate it has duplicated itself. I can do reverse, like to interchange. If I want to interchange, I can rotate if I want. I can flip, you understand, and I can freeze. So all these, some of these parts will be taught in the advanced class, guys. So guys, I believe you've known about the timeline. So we'll go on to we are going to learn how to add transition to our video, to our timeline in the next video, guys. So follow up. Let's meet up to all this editing. So guys, thank you very much. I'm Zaid, peace out. See you in the next video, guys.